You had a bad day. Oh, I don't know the words. But this is how I use law of attraction to turn a bad day into an amazing one. Welcome to the channel. I'm Positively Udo. I'm positive after this video you are going to be able to change a bad situation for your benefit. If you're part of the Glow Up gang, welcome back, y'all. If you're new here, make sure you hit subscribe. You join the Glow Up gang. On this channel, I share the things that have helped me on my glow up so I can help you on yours. And I have a secret link in the description, only if you're receiving notifications. So I've been having a bad couple of days. I mean, they weren't bad, just some bad things happened. But this is how I change it around for the better. Are you ready? Oh, y'all were gonna tell me that I had something on my mouth? Okay, I was eating the croissant. Ready? I asked myself this question: what if this is exactly what I wanted? Why is this question so powerful? Number one, it forces you to start thinking about what the positive things of a situation really are. So if you're stuck in traffic, instead of having road rage, you can ask yourself, what if this is exactly what I wanted? What happens? What is happening? Why in the world would you ever want to be stuck in traffic? Why would you ever want to stub your toe? Why would you ever want for so-and-so to yell at you? Well, now I get to listen to the podcast I've been wanting to listen to. Well, now I know that I need to rearrange my furniture. I wouldn't have realized that without stubbing my toe. Well, now I know I need to be better at communicating my feelings earlier on. I would never have known that's something I needed to do if so-and-so didn't get mad at me. So it forces you to see the benefit of the situation. So therefore you learn in the situation, making it a productive moment for you. And three, it raises your vibration. So instead of trying to make yourself feel happy when you're feeling angry, you get to feel angry. But while you're feeling angry, you're thinking of the benefits, and you cannot help but increase your vibration, your energy, your mood, which thereby increases the likelihood of you getting exactly what it is that you really wanted. Okay, so that was a quick one. Let me know in the comments below, what is your best technique for changing a bad day into a better one? Make sure you subscribe for more. If you want to deep dive into this stuff, check out my Patreon page. Link will be in the description. It really is my honor and my pleasure to make these videos for you. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Like it if you really did. Share it if you care. And until next time, much love and much luck. Peace out.